Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you're having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. You know how it is, just chilling like a villain. XRP, just what the fuck? What the fuck happened with XRP today? Fake news, guys. Fake news. We were all victims of fake news for today, guys. It is what it is. It's part of the game. It's the nature of the beast. You gotta love it. You gotta understand it. You gotta live with it, you know? You gotta live with it. Apparently, somebody wrote an article that BlackRock was registering an ETF for XRP. And the price just absolutely lost its fucking mind. Funny thing is, I get out of the office. I gotta go pick up some food. And as soon as I get in the car and I leave, boom, XRP from 65 to 75. I'm like, what the fuck happened here? Started getting texts from everybody on the live streams and whatnot on TikTok. And I just had to jump in and see what the fuck was happening because I wasn't looking at the computer. The moment I decide to not look at the computer screen, XRP fucking pumps. I'm like, fuck this. But it is what it is. You know, it's the nature of the beast. But apparently, that is absolute fake news, guys. We are not getting any XRP ETFs as of right now. We will. Absolutely. We will sooner or later. Of course. It is what it is. It's going to happen. But keep in mind, guys, we're probably going to get a Bitcoin ETF before we'd even get a consideration of an XRP ETF. So always keep that in the back of your minds, you know? Always take those news with a grain of salt and a big grain of salt because it's probably all fake. But it is a learning opportunity. Okay, it's a learning opportunity because with that said, you know what a rumor can do. A rumor pumps the price. A rumor. So imagine the day that we actually get the Bitcoin or the Ethereum or the XRP ETF. What the price could do, my man. What the price could actually do. I don't know. This for me is a second chance. We got the pump. Now we got the dump. That's a second chance. Just in case you felt like, fuck, I didn't get any XRP. It literally came back down to the price that it was this morning, 66, 65. This is your second chance to getting in on some XRP if you're not in XRP as of just yet. Because you felt like you missed the train. There was no train. It came back down. Now you get on the fucking train. Okay? I don't know what else to tell you guys. You do what you gotta do, you know. You do what you gotta do. Let's see who's in the house today. Big shout out to Mari. Mary, how you doing, Mary? Over on the TikTok. What's up with you? It's all good, You know how it is. It's chilling like a villain. Taking it easy, going little by little, day by day. Taking it easy. Letting these prices do whatever the hell they want. Starting to stack up on some more XRP. It's the name of the game. We don't need anything else. Crypto Granny. Big shout out to Crypto Granny over on the TikTok like always. The GOAT, the one and only. Crypto Granny. How you doing, Crypto Granny? It's all good, You know how it is. Thank you for that share. Thank you so much. I am him. Big shout out to I am him. Thank you for that rose over on the TikTok channel. Thank you so much. I am him. Big shout out to you. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying I am bummed. Congrats to all who profited. I mean, I wish I sat in those chairs, you know, where people just manipulate the price at will. They have billions of dollars to just pump a thing and then dump it out of nowhere. And nobody pays the price for it because it's completely legal in crypto. Anybody can do that if they have the means to do so. I am dirt poor. I got no money whatsoever. I do not move the prices whatsoever. I don't even have a big of a community to even consider doing something like that. I got, 150 subscribers over on YouTube and 3,000 beautiful people over on TikTok. I ain't moving shit. I ain't moving shit. But it is what it is. It's the nature of the beast. You gotta understand it. You gotta accept it. You gotta move with it. You just gotta play the game the same way that they do. You know? You just gotta play the game. Play the game, guys. Don't hate the game, hate the player. So yeah, guys, we're going to go in it today. So big shout out for everybody here in the live stream. You guys are amazing like always. Make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there at the same time. I'm on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, TikTok, Kick. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my price actions. Also, if you guys have any coins you want to look at, any projects you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to read it out loud and do my technical analysis on it. Do keep in mind that none of this is financial advice. You trade however the hell you want to trade it. Completely up to you. This is just me, a crazy dude online, recording his journey on crazy crypto. So yeah, guys, let's give it a few more minutes just before we start the class. Let's set up the charts. We're going to go into Bitcoin and some others. We're going to talk about that today. Bitcoin absolutely wrecking to the upside. That's beautiful to see. But everything that goes up must come down. We're just waiting for that pull to the downside. Okay, guys? Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, Sensei deserves to be monetized. I am so far away from being monetized. You know, I started this YouTube channel 2 years ago. I started the YouTube channel 2 years ago and it got banned. And I was monetized. Somebody, I have no idea who the hell it was, apparently sent fake subscribers to my website, to my YouTube channel. And YouTube decided to ban it. I have no idea who did that. Must have been some competitor, some asshole who had nothing else to do. But he got my channel banned. And it was pretty much this. Not with the greatest quality that I have right now. It was super, super novice. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing back then. But yeah, I was monetized on a time in space and time. Let's see if we can get there again, guys. Let's see if we can get there again. So make sure that you smash that subscribe button over on the YouTube channel, guys, or on TikTok or on Twitch, whichever you like. Completely up to you guys. Link in my bio. So make sure that you head on over there and subscribe to all of my streaming platforms. I'm streaming every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern if God permits. And we're going to record what the hell is happening on the markets. That's for sure. My man Bim over on the TikTok channel saying Pi Network. You want to talk about some Pi? We can talk about some Pi. Of course, guys. Why not? Guys, remember, write it down on the chat box. Whatever you guys want to talk about, we'll talk about. And we'll do some Pi Network. What is Pi Network, by the way? What do they do? We'll do a little bit of research on that. Don't worry about it. We're going to go in it. Phoenix, big shout out to Phoenix. How you doing, Phoenix? It's all good, You know how it is. Crypto Angel. How you doing, Crypto Angel? It's all good, Thank you for stopping by, Crypto Angel. Big shout out to you over on the TikTok channel. My man 24, let's go over on the TikTok saying, let's get it, Sensei. What happened to XRP a few minutes ago? Fake news, brother. Fake fucking news. It is what it is. Somebody decided to pump the price on XRP to make a quick gain and pull it on everybody else on there on the world, guys. It is what it is. Somebody was saying that BlackRock was going to get a XRP ETF, was going to do an XRP ETF, and it was absolute bullshit. Absolute bullshit. That's why every time you get these news, you got to take it with a grain of salt. Make sure that you do your research. Don't just go with it, because it most likely isn't true. It's most likely it isn't true. But do keep in mind that the rumor pumped the price from 65 to 75 in a matter of minutes. Okay, in a matter of minutes. I'm telling you, it was like 5 minutes. I came out of my house to go get some food, and it, fuck it, you know, fuck it. Oh man, it is what it is, guys. I really can't do anything about it. I wish I had that power, though. I wish I had that power, but I don't. I do not. So yeah, guys, that is what happened with XRP. Fake news pumping the price out of fucking nowhere. Guys, if you ever hear any rumors on crypto, any rumors whatsoever, make sure that you go to cryptopanic.com. Cryptopanic.com is a news aggregate. It's like a central hub for all the crypto news around the world. Okay, so whenever you hit a rumor, somebody said something and you want to confirm it, go to cryptopanic.com, check out what the news are saying, okay? Always make sure that you check out what every news outlet out there is saying about whatever particular coin you're looking for. If they're all saying the exact same thing, and you can collaborate on Twitter, on big gurus like John Deaton, if you go to his Twitter account and you subscribe to him, you follow him, and he says that it's good, and all the news outlets are saying the same thing, then yeah, that hooray for that day, okay? But as soon as this news came out, the BlackRock was allegedly registering some shares on XRP, whatever the fuck it was, it immediately got debunked everywhere else. So make sure that you do your analysis, you make sure that you do your research, and don't just go for it, okay? These pump and dumps do not benefit us in no way, shape, or form. Because we just buy the top. We don't know. We're innocent. We don't have that mentality that people are going to take advantage of us. In crypto, that's what people do. Okay? Because it's very simple and easy to do. If you have $1 billion, you can drive the price on any asset whatsoever by placing longs and shorts. And then what happens? You're left with the bag, waiting for that price to come back up. We've all been victim to it, guys, and we're going to keep being victims to it because that's just the nature of the beast. It's the nature of the game. We got to learn how to live with it, you know? Got to learn how to live with it. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying, fact check, absolutely. Go to Crypto Panic, and when you read the news, make sure that you check it out. Do a little bit of research. Okay, check it out somewhere else. What is the price doing? Is it pumping? Is it dumping? Is it is there volume? Is there so many things, you know? So many things. Big shout out to God Fear. Thank you for that follow over on the Kick channel. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok channel saying I went straight to BlackRock and iShare. Yeah, you gotta fact check. You gotta fact check. We are not that lucky, guys. We're not that lucky. We're not gonna get an ETF anytime soon. Okay, we still got a long ways to go. Most likely, it's gonna be for the next bull cycle, 2025. We might get those rumors confirmed, but it's not gonna be this year. It's not gonna be next year. It's just not gonna. We're not ready. We're not ready for a bull cycle just yet. There is no money just yet. These big kahuna guys with trillions of dollars, they don't have the money yet to pump these prices. Like if they're not ready, we're not ready. Okay, we're not ready. The market is not ready for a bull cycle just yet, guys. But we will. We will. Don't worry about that. We will. We will. So big shout out for everybody here. Oh, big shout out. Thank you so much to Crypto Angel over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for that heart emoji. Thank you so much. And thank you for all those roses. Absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Big shout out to Crypto Angel and Crypto Granny and I Am Him and Spike. Spike, thank you so much for that sticker over on the TikTok channel. You guys are awesome. Crypto Backsheet, big Crypto Backsheet, thank you so much. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to Crypto Backsheet over on the TikTok. All right, guys, we're gonna give it one more minute, and we'll start the class. Let's set up the charts. We're going to go in it today, guys. Also, remember, if you have any coins or projects you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do some TA. I wonder, why can't I see the chat box? I always have a fucking issue when it comes to fucking restreaming. I never see anything. Anyway. Big shout out to Tammy over on the TikTok. Thank you for that share. Big shout out to you. Crypto back over on the TikTok saying, let's go Bears. We got to bring that price back down, guys. We're so oversold on everything on crypto. We got to bring them back down. Come on. Let's bring it down, guys. Let's go. Got to bring it down. That 30K Bitcoin. Let's bring it to 30K so I can get more XRP and more Bitcoin. Come on, guys. Caroline, big shout out to Caroline over on the TikTok. She wants to talk about some quant. Yeah, we can talk about some quant. Of course we can. Some QNT. Let me take out my handy dandy notebook. QNT. All right, Detailer 760. Big shout out to Detailer over on the TikTok saying overbought. Yeah, the RSI is above 70 right here. If you see this little scenario playing out down here, this little indicator, whenever it crosses this dotted line and it goes into the darker purple zone, that just means that a lot of people are buying Bitcoin. A lot of people are buying Bitcoin. There has to be a reversal because nothing goes up without coming back down. Okay, we're gonna wait for that curvature to happen on that indicator. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but it has to happen. Things have to come back down, get the strength that we need, and shoot that fucker all the way to the upside. Big shout out to Dynamite. How you doing, Dynamite, over on the TikTok? How you doing, Dynamite? My man, Dynamite. Cryptopaxi over on the TikTok channel saying, I think 25K Bitcoin. Brother, if we can get Bitcoin back down to 25K, holy fucking shit, we better start accumulating with whatever the hell we got. I don't know if I got to get a third job. I got to start driving Uber. I don't know what the fuck I got to do. If we go back down to 25K Bitcoin, oh man, that is the greatest Christmas gift I could ever have. I could ever ask for. Santa Claus, can you please give me 25K Bitcoin? Why not? Why not? Cryptopaxi over on the TikTok channel saying it's coming before November 19th. If ISO going. I don't understand what do you mean by that, brother? I mean, if it's gonna come back down, you better fucking let me know. Let's go. Because I'm gonna get some more. All right, guys, let's start the class. All right, everybody. Wait, give me a second here, guys. Give me 1 second. Display capture. What happened to the display? Okay, thank you. All right, there. Way better. All right, guys. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Make sure that you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm restreaming on every single platform out there at the same time. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I'm on TikTok. I'm Kick. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get my TA and my price actions on whatever projects you want to look at. Okay, guys? So make sure that you head on over to my link in bio on whatever platform you're looking on me at, and make sure that you subscribe to all of my streaming platforms, just in case one gets taken down. You never know. I'm banned all the time. For speaking the truth. All right, guys. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, you better do it on Bitcoin first because everything is being dragged by Bitcoin. So pretty much everything's going to repeat with Bitcoin, okay? So just do your TA on Bitcoin. Why not? Why not? So we start on the daily charts. We always go in for the daily charts. That means that each and every one of these candles is 1 day long. Now, what does the daily chart give you? The daily chart gives you momentum. Okay. And you always trade with the momentum. The trend is your friend until the end. Okay. So always remember that the daily gives you momentum. And if momentum is to the upside, you have to trade to where? The upside. Okay. The upside. Oh, your mentality has to be biased towards longing, biased towards finding entry prices for the price to go up. Okay. So with that said, since I know that price action is to the upside, then that means that I am biased towards longing, because longing means that I'm betting that the price is going to go up. Okay. Now there's 3 things that I need to identify every time I do some price ranges, and that is a low, the low point before the pump, the highest point after the pump, and then the retest of that high point after the pump. Okay. There is no retest as of right now. There is only a pump. So I'm going to pretend that there is a retest of that pump. Okay. On the retest of that pump right here, that means that it's going to give me a shark fin formation. This shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci level. So I'm going to draw out my Fibonacci levels. That is the Fibonacci retracement level for Bitcoin as of right now. Remember that this could change any day, so that you have to do your charts every single day just in case. Okay, we reset the Fibonacci from previous live streams, and these are the new numbers for Bitcoin. What do you do with this information? You see these lines that I have drawn right here? These lines are lines of support. Okay. And the lower the line, the more support there is on that zone. Meaning that a lot of people are willing to buy Bitcoin at those price ranges. Okay. So if you're gonna trade with the trend and follow the money, which is how you trade in crypto or any other asset, you got to follow the money. Those are the highest demand zones on whatever asset you're looking at on using the Fibonacci. And the highest of them all is this one right here, the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay, so if you are a betting man or a betting person, whatever, and you want to get in on Bitcoin and you haven't bought in Bitcoin as of just yet, you just haven't bought in Bitcoin at all, your best bet would be to get in on Bitcoin at the 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Now, in no way, shape, or form does this guarantee that we're going to go to $30,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, I'm not saying that we're going to go down there, but if it is, guess what? You're locked and ready to go. You're strapped in. You have a limit buy order set at $30,000 per Bitcoin so that it buys Bitcoin for you while you sleep. You can do that on whatever exchange or wallet you're using. Okay, you can set parameters to buy Bitcoin on the way down. Big shout out to Live and Learn over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for stopping by, Live and Learn. We got this. Hell yeah, we do. Big shout out to Live and Learn. Big shout out to Tigolito over on the Twitch channel saying, what do you think of LOW? Low. Oh, you can look at it. Big shout out to Shen K06 over on the TikTok, on the Twitch channel. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. So Tigolito wants to talk about low. LOW. Where's my pen? We can talk about some low action. Never heard of that coin. What is that coin? What does it do? I wrote it down on my handy dandy notebook. We're going to go in it today. Don't worry about it, guys. We'll go in it. We'll talk about some low. So for you guys who have not gotten any Bitcoin whatsoever and you're wondering what is the highest demand zone for some Bitcoin action, that is 30,476. Okay. Now, like I said, that doesn't mean that we're going to go to $30,000, 30,476. But if we are, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to get more fucking Bitcoin at 30,476. No doubt. No doubt. Okay. Bitcoin free to people. Big shout out to Bitcoin free to people. My man, my brother from another mother. How you doing, Bitcoin free to people? Cool background. Yeah, my man. This is my office. This is not a green screen. This is my actual office. I wish. Look at how many monitors I got. I got one. I got 6 monitors, 7, 8. I got like 20 monitors. That would be amazing. An actual office like this, that would be sick. You know, I actually generated this whole background using AI. Midjourney. I was able to do this, and then I took it onto Photoshop and I did some things for put my name. Like, for example, up here it says Crypto Sensei. I did all that, bro. I did all that. All right, guys. So, like I was saying, Bitcoin, my entry price for some Bitcoin action is 30,476. Now, I'm going to give you even more price action to the downside. If this fucker decides to break to the downside, what are you going to do? Let's say that you actually got it at 30,476, but it keeps going lower. What do you do with that information? Well, you buy some more on the way down. You dollar cost average on the way down. How do you do that? Let me show you right now. You see that the Fibonacci, I pulled it from the bottom to the top. Now, let's pull it from the top to the bottom, and let's set it at the 618. This is a pretend number. This isn't exactly what is going to play out, but let's see if it actually does play out. That tells me that there is a high probability that Bitcoin can go down to 27,979. So what do I do with this information? Very simple, guys. I take 50% of my purchasing power and I place it at $30,476. And then I take the remaining 50% of my purchasing power, whatever I have in USD Tether or cash or whatever the hell I got to buy some Bitcoin, and I place it at 27,979 and wait for that bouncy bounce to happen. Those are my two entry prices to getting in on some Bitcoin action, okay, guys? 30,476, 27,979. But in no way, shape, or form am I saying that we're going to go to those levels. But if we actually do, that's where I would start stacking up on some Bitcoin. Okay, guys? That's how I would do it. Juju! Big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Juju? Did XRP pump and dump today? Yeah, XRP. Brother, let me tell you right now, you got to do your research. You got to fact check. A false rumor, fake news. It's fake news. It's fake news. The fake news today was that BlackRock was going to make a XRP ETF. No, we're not. But the rumor alone pumped the price. The rumor alone pumped the price from 65 to 75. So imagine the day that we actually do get an ETF. Man, let me tell you right now, that is a second chance for anybody who's not in the XRP army. You better start stacking up. I don't know what else to tell you. You do whatever the fuck you want to do. I'm going to get more XRP. I don't know what you guys are going to do. D. Taylor over on the TX channel saying we will start a downtrend until the end of year. My man, from your mouth to God's ears, I want the downtrend, okay? I am hella bullish on everything on crypto, but I don't get in on green candles. I get in on strong, long-ass red candles. I need that 30K Bitcoin. I especially need that 27K Bitcoin. I'm saving up my money, guys. I'm buying more. I'm buying more, you know? Yes, you do what you got to do. I might actually have to start driving some Uber or something. I don't know. I got a good car. I can drive Uber. I can do Uber Eats. Why not? Hell yeah. Just chill. We'll get there. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. Day by day, okay? Day by day. Crypto Basky over on the TikTok channel saying, loaded with it. Let's go. Absolutely. Big shout out to Bitcoin free to people. Thank you so much for that. Cowboy hat. Big shout out to you. Live and Learn. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that love and heart. Thank you so much. Big shout out to Live and Learn over on the TikTok. Dynamite, my man. Dynamite. Thank you for that. Ice cream cone over on the TikTok. Highly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Kimmy, my man, Kimmy, how you doing? Kimmy, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. Thank you so much. Support from Sweden. Absolutely, brother. How are my brothers and sisters over in Sweden doing? How you all doing, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day over in Sweden. My man, I'm worldwide. I'm worldwide. All right, guys. So let's go. This is my plan for some Bitcoin action. I'm getting in at 30K. I'm getting in at 27K. And I'm going to ride that sucker all the way to the upside for all-time high for the next bull cycle. It is what it is. So if we could actually get this 27K Bitcoin, oh my God, please let's make it happen. Please. It is what it is. Moving on to some Ethereum action. What is Ethereum doing right now? Well, if Bitcoin is pumping or dumping, Ethereum is going to do the exact same thing because Bitcoin is king and Ethereum is queen. Oh shit, that's an earthquake. Oh shit, the floor's trembling. Oh, that's hilarious. I got an earthquake live on stream. That's amazing. There's earthquakes all the time in Puerto Rico. It is what it is. The nature of the beast. So Ethereum, as of right now, we got the pump. We got the low. We got the pump, and now we're getting the retracement of that pump. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci level. So what is the Fibonacci level to getting in on some Ethereum action? I would start getting in on some Ethereum action on 1,731. 1,731. That is my limit buy order for Ethereum would be set at 1,731, and the reverse Fibonacci, let's pretend that it bounces from the 618. These are all pretend numbers. Remember, guys, you gotta reset these numbers once we actually get confirmation on those numbers. Well, we'll do that on stream. Don't worry about it. I'll be here. 1,598.7. So these are my two limit buy orders to stacking up on some Ethereum action. If you guys don't have any Ethereum as of just yet, but Ethereum, mega beast, you gotta. If you're not in the Ethereum game, I don't know what else to tell you guys. Ethereum is a beast, and it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah, sure. I hate the technology. I hate what they're doing. I don't know what the fuck they're even doing. I don't like it. It's expensive as hell. But when it comes to business structure, this fucker makes a shit ton of money. They collect them fees, bro. They collect the fees, you know? It is what it is. They know what they're doing. I don't personally buy Ethereum. I don't get into Ethereum, but I know a lot of people do. If you're going to get into Ethereum, you better do it the right way. And you take your profits on the way up, okay? Take your profits on the way up. So 1,598 and 1,731 are my limit buy orders to getting in on some Ethereum action on the daily charts, okay, guys? So make sure that you take a screenshot of that if you're going to play it out however the hell you want to play it out. This is not financial advice. You do whatever the fuck you want with your money. This is how I am going to be buying some Ethereum. If we actually get to those price ranges, I really hope that we do. I really do. Okay? Big shout out to Rachel C over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Bitcoin free to people over on TikTok saying Ethereum fraud. I don't know if... man, it's so easy to do fraud on crypto. It wouldn't surprise me that they rug pull like FTX did. It wouldn't surprise me at all. I don't know. I don't know. But if I was going to stack up with some Ethereum, it would be 5,731 and 1,598. That's how I would buy some Ethereum. All right, guys, moving on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. What is XRP doing as of right now? XRP, victimized by pump and dumps. Rumors, guys, fake news. It's fake news. It's fake news. Okay? So, XRP pumped and dumped today out of fake news over on the Bitcoin Systemi website, a website I've never even heard of. Let me see what they got here. Look at this one. Breaking. BlackRock allegedly registers iShares XRP trust product for XRP spot ETF. Bullshit. Guys, this is fake news. Make sure that you fact check everything you hear online. 90% of the things you hear online are not true. Make sure that you fact check. Go to different sources all over the place. Go to Twitter, go to Facebook, go to all these news sites, and make sure that you fact checked everything. If they all say the exact same thing, then it's true, most likely. But make sure that you follow the big gurus. Make sure you follow John Deaton on Twitter. That dude says fly, and I say how high. I follow that dude all the time. Whatever he says goes. So if he just literally tweeted that it was fake news, and he even confirmed it with BlackRock. Like, he has those connections. He can call BlackRock and be like, yo, did you actually do the thing? And they said no. I'm like, okay. So make sure that you fact check everything. This has been debunked. This is not true. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to get an ETF someday. Absolutely, we will. It's how money is going to flow into crypto in the United States. Okay, guys? It's just how it is. Okay? And you have to follow the money. Always follow the money. Do what they do. Okay? Now, are we going to get an ETF? Yes. Are we going to get one today? No. But nonetheless, the price pumped out of fucking nowhere. Look at this. On the 15-minute chart, we had a pump and then we had a dump. Okay, so this doesn't affect my analysis in no way, shape, or form other than I didn't buy at 65 and I didn't sell at 75. Okay, but we're still in the same place. This is just a little pump and dump. It don't bother me none. Okay, so let's go back to the daily chart. And let's figure it out. What is Bitcoin XRP doing as of right now? So we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on that high. And I'm not going to take into consideration today's pump and dump. Okay, this is market manipulation. Okay, market manipulation. And I am not going to take this at all. It's like it never happened. Okay, it never happened. So that for me is not the high. The high is the previous one, this one right here. And the low is this one right here, right before the pump, okay? So, with that said, I am going to draw out my Fibonacci levels, and let's figure out an entry price for some XRP action. So, if you're not in the XRP army as of just yet, I don't know what the hell you're doing with your life. You're clearly wrong. You're not doing things right. I'm kidding. You do whatever the fuck you want to do. Your entry price for some XRP action is 60 cents. Okay? So I believe that the bottom for this little dumpy dump that's right around the corner for some XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the actions on crypto is going to be probably 60 cents. Now, if this fucker actually decides to keep going down, I got more entry prices on the way down. Of course I do. My next entry price for getting in on some XRP action is 0.55896 and 0.53359. Those are my 3 limit buy orders on the way down for some XRP action. Always remember that nothing goes up without coming back down. Everything that goes up must come down. It's the laws of physics. It's the same for the crypto markets and any other market out there. We had a lot of buying action to the upside. That was beautiful to see, but now we're ready. We're more than locked and loaded to getting in some more XRP when it comes back down, okay? So it is going to come back down. It's just a matter of time. So you lock and load at the right price ranges. If this fucker keeps going down, keeps going even lower than this, and then we reset the Fibonacci levels and we find out what other levels are we going to buy some more XRP on the way down. If this fucker decides to go sub 50 cents, bro, I'm definitely driving Uber because I need to get another job and I need to get more XRP. Okay. So that, guys, is my plan for XRP. Don't listen to the news. Make sure that you fact checked everything. Go to Twitter and you follow John Deaton. Okay? That dude is the big kahuna on XRP, anything XRP related. Okay, guys? And obviously also Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO, and everybody in the team on XRP. Because let me tell you right now that the day that BlackRock decides to do an ETF, Brad is going to say something. John is going to say something, you know? Gene Crazy over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for that follow. Big shout out to you, Jen's Crazy 420. Ah, that's a great name right there. I'm going to be Crypto Sensei 420, that's for sure. 420. When XRP goes to $420, I'm changing my name to Crypto Sensei 420. Hell yeah. All right, guys, moving on to some Cardano action. So for Cardano, we haven't changed at all whatsoever. Cardano, these are still my limit buy orders for Cardano action. We finally have this little curvature coming back down on the RSI, so we're probably going to get pulled back down. That pullback is going to be met by these 3 support lines over here, 32 cents, 30 cents, and 29 cents. Okay? Brian Davis over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. People get so shook. It's because they bought at the top. Yeah, you can't blame them. When you wake up one morning and you buy at 75 and then the next morning is at 50 and you lost 25% of your portfolio, it hurts. It's only human nature. You can't really blame people for feeling hurt because it's founded on facts. You know, a lot of people bought a $70,000 Bitcoin. And we're finally getting that uptrend. But you know how many people sold on the way down because it just didn't understand market cycles? That's what we're here for, guys. That's what I am here for. I show you that it's all about cycles and you got to be patient. Yeah, you bought at 70, but don't fucking sell at 15. Not financial advice. You do whatever the fuck you want to do. But come on, man. Crypto has a very predictable pattern playing out every 4 years. You just got to be patient and wait it out and don't listen to anybody, not even me. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. Jen over on the TikTok saying, hey, from Norway. Oh, big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on Norway. How y'all doing? Is it cold as fuck right now? Pretty sure it is. Innovative Concept. Big shout out to Innovative Concept over on the TikTok saying, we'll take at $4.20 first. Bro, if we wake up one morning and XRP is at $4.20, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. I will smoke weed on live email. You don't even know. I will do it. I will absolutely celebrate with a weed and crypto sesh. Ooh, we can do that. Weed and crypto. I can stream like that on Kick, right? On Kick, you can stream anything whatever the hell you want to stream over. They don't give a fuck. Brian Davis over on the TX channel saying, watch Bitcoin until XRP completely uncouples. Whew, that would be amazing. Wait for that day. That day is right around the corner, brother. That's going to happen sooner or later. Control your own over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. They put money into crypto they can't afford to lose and panic sell. That's another thing. Don't trade on crypto with your retirement fund. Don't trade on crypto with your rent money. Don't trade on crypto with your kids' education money. Bro, that's common sense. Don't take out a loan to buy crypto. Don't use your credit cards to buy crypto. Bro, that is common sense. Obviously, I cannot obligate you to do that. That you do whatever you want to do with your money. But come on, man. Common sense. Be smart. Crypto is highly volatile. It's not here to make you money. It's here to make other people money. Okay? Every time you buy some crypto, always remember that somebody sold it to you. Okay? They made money while you're holding the bags. Always remember that. Crypto is not here to make you money. It's here to make somebody else's money. But guess what? That person could also be you. Because you're going to buy low and you're going to sell high. Give the bags to somebody else who want to hold that at a higher point. You're smarter than that because you're here. You're with the crypto sensei. We buy low. We sell high. How high? All the way. Live and learn saying over on the Tech Talk. Let's go. Hell, fuck yeah. Let's fucking go. Give me a second, guys, here. I gotta take this up. Okay. Okay. So my plan. Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Tato? It's all good or good. The man, my man, the best. Oh, brother, you the best. You the man. So that, guys, is my plan for some Cardano action. 32 cents, 30 cents, and 29 cents. Okay, guys? Moving on to some XLM action. Now, if XRP pumps, even if it's a fake news pump and dump, XLM is going to do the exact same thing. Always remember that XLM is like XRP's evil twin sister, but the hot one. The one that you're like, I hit that. That's XLM. Okay? That is XLM. So XLM nothing has changed for XLM because this little candle right here, I'm not even going to pay attention to that candle. That was a pump and dump, and I don't give a fuck about that candle. So nothing has changed for XLM. My entry price for XLM is still set at 11,3382. 11,3382. Okay. Tato over on the Twitch channel saying, nah, gotta talk to you later about new plans I have for my life, but not for stream content. We talk later. Yeah, my man, anytime. I'm here. You can text me anytime. Whatever you need, you let me know. So, my plan for XLM hasn't changed whatsoever. I'm going to buy in at 11. I'm going to get out at 16 whenever the hell this decides to happen. But on the RSI, we still got some more price action to the upside. Let's see if it actually plays out. Always remember that this is tied to XRP. If XRP decides to pump, XLM is going to pump with it also. Okay, guys? So that is my plan to stack up on some more XLM 11,3382. Moving on to some Solana action. So for Solana, let me reset this is from previous live stream. Let's reset some Solana action. So for Solana, we have a low, we have a high, and we're gonna pretend that we're gonna get that recess of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. So start stacking up on some Solana, Diego, at $32.61. That is where I'm going to start stacking up on some Solana action. Now, if Solana decides to keep dumping out of fucking nowhere because everything else is dumping, then my other entry prices for Solana are $25, $226, and $21.518. Those guys are my entry prices. You're getting in on some Solana action. So if you don't have any Solana, 32, 25, 21, those are great price ranges, guys. Great price ranges to start stacking up on some Solana action. Live and learn over on the TikTok channel saying XLM moved with the pump. Yes, because XLM is tied to XRP. So whatever XRP does, XLM goes with it. Okay, it's tied to XRP. Brian Davis saying it's like BTC and Ethereum. Yes, exactly. The same relationship that Bitcoin has with Ethereum, XRP has with XLM. Okay, it's like they go hip by hip. You know, they go together. Wherever one goes, the other one follows. Innovative concept saying over on the TikTok, is there any thought that we don't come back down to these levels? It is highly possible. Of course it is. I'm just banking on the fact that nothing goes up without coming back down. Okay, everything that goes up must come down. And we're on the top of the RSI. My indicators are all saying that, whoa, red alert. It's too overbought, too many people buying. There should be a pullback. You know, and it's like I'm being pulled to that direction. That we're going to get that pullback. I don't know for a fact if we're actually going to pump from here or dump whatsoever. I can never, ever tell you that. But if it actually does decide to come back down, that's where I'm going to start stacking up on that asset. Okay? I'm not saying that we will. I'm just saying that if it does, that's how I would play it. I wish I had a crystal ball or a time machine that I could show, but no, not even close. Not even close. Front Rim over on the TikTok, kick-ass name, by the way. Why did it pump and then dip so fast? Manipulation, yes, my brother. Market manipulation, fake news. They put a rumor out and it drove the price to the upside, and then they took their profits and walked away. A little mini rug pull on fake news on XRP. I wish I had that money. I wish I had a lot of money to do shit like that, but nope. Never gonna happen. Big shout out to Live and Learn. Thank you so much for those roses, Live and Learn. Big shout out to you. All right, moving on to some... Well, what do we got here? To the people's choice of Pi Network. What is Pi Network, by the way? What did they do? Pi Network. Can I trade it on KuCoin? No, I cannot. I can trade it on MEXC. Maybe. Yeah, I can trade it on MEXC. There we go. No. Is this Pi Network? Wait. Pi Network. Let me do a little bit of research on this coin. Before we start into the coinmarketcap.com. That is the wrong website. What is Pi Network? It's a liquidity pool. Politically incorrect saying it's an app not in market yet. Oh, brother, if it's not in the market yet, I can't do TA. Not until it decides to come out. Yeah, no, I can't buy it anywhere. Yeah. Not there yet, guys. But you know how these things work. These are bottom coins. You buy them and you hope for the best. Go in with $100 and do whatever the fuck you want to see. How many coins can I buy with $100? I can get almost a million. I can get 1 million coins for $100 for this coin. Buy it and I'll buy it and hope for the best. That's it. It's what it is. That's what it is. It is what it is. All right, moving on to some QNT, some quant action. So what is quant doing as of right now? Let's zoom out for a little bit over here. Let me see what quant is doing. So quant having a little bit of action to the upside. That's beautiful to see. So let's zoom in. Let's lock it in. We have a low. We have a high. We have a retracement of that high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. All right, so I found the support on the 0.5 and it broke the 382. So if it breaks the 382, that means that there is a high probability that it is going to reach the negative 382 at $121.49. So if you are in some quant action, your take profit is 129.49. Okay. If you're not in quant, then your entry price is 93.5. So if I was going to stack up on some quant, I would get it at $93 and I would get out at $121. Okay. Brim over on the TikTok channel saying you can mine Pi from your phone. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, guys. Big shout out to Novia over on the Facebook channel. Thank you so much for that like. Big shout out to you. So yeah, guys, for QNT, my entry price is 93. My exit price is 121.49. Okay. So that's how I would play out some quant action. We do have a little bit of space to keep moving to the upside. Maybe. We'll see. Only time will tell. But that is how I would play out this quant action, guys. Okay. Moving on to some Doge action. Man, you guys are still buying Doge. Let's zoom in. What is Doge doing? So we have a low. We have a high. And we have a retest of that high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into the Fibonacci levels. Look at that, guys. It played out beautifully. We found the support on the 618. It broke above the 382. So that tells me that Doge has a huge probability of going to 0.09356. So your exit price for some Doge action is 0.09356. And your entry price is 0.06594. So if you're not in Doge, 6 cents is the way to go, and 9 cents is the way to get the fuck out. Okay? So that's how it goes, guys. This is my plan for some Doge action. Moving on to some Litecoin. What is Litecoin doing? Litecoin had the halving. It dumped, and now it's ready to come back up. That is beautiful to see. It's exactly how it should play out. So for Litecoin, it found the support on the 0.5. It broke above the 382. So that tells me that there is a high probability that this fucker is going to go to 78.88. So if you're in Litecoin, your take profit is $78. Okay, $78.98. We reset the Fibonacci levels when that plays out, and we figure out our new entry prices, okay? If you're not in Litecoin and you're going to wait for the dumpy dump to happen, then your entry price is 64.43. And that's how it goes, guys. That's how it goes. Politically incorrect over on the TikTok channel saying, can we go over MNW? MNW. Yeah, we could go into some MNW action. What was MNW, by the way? It was the Mighty Network, was it? I can't remember. MNW. Oh, the Morpheus Network. Yes. So the Morpheus... Ooh, this is from previous live streams. For the yeah. Let me zoom in. Give me a second, guys. So for the Morpheus Network, it is 1.1852. 1.1852 is my entry price for some Morpheus Network, okay? So if you're not in Morpheus, this is where I would get in, $1.18. Okay, $1.18. We are on the top of the RSI. There's probably going to be a little bit of a pullback down, which is always beautiful to see because we just stack up more coins on the way down. At $1.1852, that is my entry price for some MNW, some Morpheus action, okay? So for Morpheus, $1.18, that is the way to go. Moving on to some Dixie action. Dixie is the US dollar. I believe that tomorrow we're getting the CPI numbers, aren't we? I don't remember. Is it tomorrow? Let me know in the chat box, guys. I believe that it's tomorrow that we're getting the numbers, the CPI numbers. So you got to be on the lookout for that one also, okay? Make sure that you follow that so that because the US dollar does affect the Bitcoin price. The lower the US dollar goes, the higher the price of Bitcoin. And the same thing the other way around. The higher the US dollar, the lower the Bitcoin price goes. They have an inverse relationship to one another, okay? So if Bitcoin goes up, the US dollar goes down. If the US dollar goes up, Bitcoin goes down. Right now, we're crossing that bearish signal. That probably means that there's going to be some more price action to the downside of the US dollar. I don't know. We'll see with the CPI numbers tomorrow. But it's giving me shorting vibes. It's giving me shorting vibes on the US dollar. Okay. But that just means that it's good for Bitcoin because the US dollar goes down, Bitcoin most probably will go up. Yep. And there you go, guys. That is the markets. Man, these people are still talking about. We go to Crypto Panic and see what the hell. Ripple CEO advocates multi-chain future and regulatory clarity at Ripple 12 2023. Oh, that's beautiful. Tether mints $4 billion in 1 month as Paolo Arduino hints plans for 2024 could obliterate Web 2.0. My man, let me tell you right now that if Tether is printing money, Bitcoin is going up in value. If Tether is printing money, Bitcoin is going up in value. Let me say it one more time. If Tether is printing money, Bitcoin is going up in value. So you do whatever the fuck you got to do with that information, guys. But if Tether prints money, Bitcoin is going up in value. You heard it here first. Let me check out the fear and greed index just before I go. I always like to look at the fear and greed index. I use it as an indicator to see what the hell people are doing. So people are super hella greedy. What do we do with this information? Well, we take our profits when people are greedy. We go back in when people are fearful. If you would have done that, you would have been banking big right now. So, yeah. Yeah. Do what you got to do. Oh, and the funding rates. CoinGlass funding rates. Man, I have a huge pain on my molar. You know, I tried to get the dentist appointment today to get a molar pulled out. You know when they gave me the appointment? This is Puerto Rico guy, I gotta tell you. They gave me the appointment for March. March! It's November. March! I'm getting the dentist appointment. I'm like, bro, just give me a fucking wrench. I'll pull this fucker out myself. All I need is the anesthesia. Just give me the anesthesia so it doesn't hurt. I'll do it myself. I gotta tell you, man. I gotta tell you. Politically incorrect over on the TikTok channel saying, can you give us an update on Hexcoin? Hexcoin? Brother, get the fuck out of Hexcoin. I hate Hexcoin, bro. Fuck out of Hexcoin. You're doing Hexcoin. You got some issues, brother. You got some serious issues. I don't know what else to tell you, man. I'm just kidding. I'm just messing with you, bro. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do. So my entry prices for Hexcoin are 0.0006 and 0.000228. Okay. More power to the downside on Hexcoin. We got the top on the RSI, so this probably is going to come back down. And these are my entry prices, less than a cent, okay? 0.006 and 0.000228. Juju over on the Twitch channel saying Hex go brr. Hex go bye-bye. That's what it's going to do. Hex go berserk mode. Live and learn over on the TikTok channel saying I enjoyed Hex read so much I donated a couple bucks. Thank you for the enjoyable reads, everyone. No, thank you for stopping by, Live and Learn. I highly appreciate your time. I'm trying to make this as fun as possible and as easy as possible for you guys to do the exact same thing. Reading charts is very simple to do if you know what you're doing, obviously. Just like anything else in life, it's like a language. Once you learn how to speak it, it just becomes second nature to you, where you don't have to draw so many goddamn lines on the screen. You can just look at the pattern and be like, okay, this fucker's going down. Oh, okay, this fucker's going up. But that comes with repetition. Repetition is the mother of skill. Always remember that. You have to read if you want to be a chart reader, you have to read the charts every single day. Okay? Choose a strategy, whichever ones you like. If you like mine, then go ahead. It's free. It's for you to use. The Fibonacci level is completely free, completely for you to use however the hell you want to use it. If you want to trade like I do, then just read the charts every day. Reset the Fibonacci levels when things go up, when things go down. Completely free, guys. Completely free. I don't think I'll ever charge for anything when it comes to my education at all. I don't think so. Not anytime soon anyway. Maybe one day when I become like a super duper guru on crypto, maybe. I don't know. I don't want to think about things like that. All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I got for you today. Hope you all had a lot of fun. I did too. I sure as hell had a lot of fun with you reading your comments, guys, like always. I will be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you... 5 p.m. Eastern time. It's 6 p.m. for me here in Puerto Rico. So it's 5 for you, 6 for me. I'll be back again here. We're going to talk about these markets. We're going to figure out if this is actually all playing out. What the hell is XRP going to do? All I know is that I'm going to start stacking up on more XRP. That's all I got to say. So yeah, guys. Much love and appreciation to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your hour of power. Hope it didn't go into waste. I will be back again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. So make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, and I'm on Facebook. So make sure that you follow me on all the platforms, just in case one gets suspended for some reason. I don't know, shit like that happens to me all the time. All right, guys, see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. Take care, God bless, and have a good one.